ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। विश्वं पश्यति कार्यकारणतया स्वस्वामिसम्बन्धतः शिष्याचार्यतया तथैव पितृपुत्राध्यात्मना भेदतः। स्वप्ने जाग्रति वा य एष पुरुषो मायापरिभ्रामितस्तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। So the plurality is due to Brahma, Maya, Mayaya Paribhramitah, and then because of that alone, the varieties of Deva, Tiryang, Manushya, all the Purva Vasanas, Tajjanita Samskara, then further Srishti, all of that is Maya Karyam. Now, in the next Vartika, it is said, Mayaya Brahmyamanasyapi Jivasya na Paramarthato Brahmanam Asti. Even though due to Maya, this Jiva is Brahmyamanaha. Brahmyamanaha, this is Shanacha Pratyaya. Brahmyamanah, Brahmyamanasya Jivasya Paramarthatah Brahmanam na asti. In reality, there is no Brahmanam. Iti etad drishtantena upapadayati. This is being explained through the example now. Samsrijya manasa devas संसरन्निव लक्ष्यते यथार्को जल संसर्गाच् चलनान्येव लक्ष्यते। संसृज्य मनसा देवः संसरन्निव लक्ष्यते यथार्को जल संसर्गाच् चलनान्येव लक्ष्यते। देवः मनसा संसृज्य, देव means Atma, manasa samsrijya, with his own mind, he having created the samsara, samsaran iva lakshyate. So Atma alone creates the samsara, then Atma thinks he is samsari. Means Atma creates this Brahmanda and then feels he is samsari. Samsaran iva, but iva is there, means as if. So this is Mandukya chapter 2, Karika 12. That first line is exactly pointing out that Kalpayati Atmana Atmanam Atma Deva Swamaya. There also Deva Shabda is there. And it is Kalpayati, it projects everything. Sa eva buddhyate bhedan, that alone experiences the divisions, plurality, which was said in the earlier two Vartikas here. Sa eva buddhyate bhedan iti Vedanta nishchaya. So this is the conclusion of the Vedanta. Yatha arko jala samsargat chalan naneva lakshyate. Yatha arkaha, just as the sun, when it is appearing in the water as reflected sun, then if the water moves, then it appears as if sun is moving. Jala sansargat arko. Jala chalanat chalan. Jalasya nanatvat nana iva. Both. Chalan iva nana iva lakshyate. In Tika it is made clear. Devaha means Atma. Deva Shabda generally we take for Devata, but Deva here is Atma. Because the Rudhi is Devata, but yogic earth will be Atma. Divu Dhatu is for illumination, brilliance. Atmano nanatva pratibhasopi anena drishtantena mithya iti upapadita iti darshayati. Even the nanatva, many Atma itself is mithya. It is a pratibhasa, only appearance. Anena drishtantena mithya. How? Like reflection of sun is seen as many, but it is mithya. Nana iva lakshyate. Chalan iva, nana iva iti yojana. Tadevam mayadvarakam jivasya chidatmano bandham upavarnya. So actually here only what is said is the plurality is mithya. Nanatva is mithya. Then samsaranam, transmigration is mithya. Chalanam can be, one meaning is samsaranam, another meaning is vikshepa, that I am disturbed, I am confused, I am restless. All this is also not possible in I, the Atma, but adhyasa is there. So with adhyasa everything is possible. This Maya is aghatita ghatana patiyasi. She is expert in making all impossible things possible. Tadevam Maya dvarakam jivasya chidatmano bandham upavaranyam. So that due to Maya, bondage is there in Jiva. Jivasya chidatmana. Jiva who is really chidatma. Bandham upavarnya sasadhanam tattva jnana dvarakam mokshama. Along with the means, the tattva jnana dvarakam moksham. Moksha which is attained through tattva jnana. That samasa will be tattva jnanam dvaram yasya saha tattva jnana dvarakam. The kaf pratyaya will be swarthe kaha. So tattva jnana is the gateway of that moksha and nothing else. So people get confused, they study Vedanta, but they have so many other ideas of moksha. So they think if something happens, then I will be liberated. So here it is said tattva jnana dharakam. Siddha hamityasmad yushmad dharmo nishidyate. Rajvamiva hidhir yuktya tattvasyadi shasanaihi. Tattvam ityadi shasanaihi. So, Atma is Siddha. In that some other notions we have added, you have to remove that. That is called liberation. Yoga bhyasavashadyena mano nirvishayam kritam nivrittas sapuman sadyo जीवन मुक्तो भविष्यति. योगाभ्यासवशाद्येन मनो निर्विषयं कृतं निवृत्तः स पुमान् सद्यो जीवन्मुक्तो भविष्यति. योगाभ्यासवशात्, due to the performance of yoga abhyasa, now here yoga shabda you can take it as Shravan Mananam also. It is not necessary that yoga means you have to take Ashtanga Yoga. Repeated study of Shastra, Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam is called yoga. Here in Tika, it is not explained, that word. Yena mano nirvishayam katam. And if you take it as Ashtanga Yoga, then main thing is that you make mind free from Vishayas. Nirvishayam. So Chitta Shuddhi, who has attained, or yoga can be taken as Karma Upasana. Saha Puman Nivrittaha Sadyo Jivan Mukto Bhavishyati. That Puman is Sadyo Mukta. Tuk Agama has come, that's why Pumant, that Takar is there in between. Sadyo Jivan Mukto Bhavishyati. Instantly, Sadyo means instantly he becomes free. Nirvishayam Kritam Alambana Shunyam Avishaya Brahmakaram Kritam Ityartha. Nirvishayam Manaha Mano hi dvividham proktam shuddham cha shuddham evacha ashuddham kama sankalpam shuddham kama vivarjitam ato mana eva manushyanam karanam bandhamokshayoho bandhaya vishayasaktam muktam nirvishayam smritam. See, nirvishaya mana, and therefore Amritbindu Upanishad says, therefore your first objective is remain calm and see that without entertaining Vishayas can your mind stay. That is called Nirvishayam. Alambana Shunyam, without any other support. Avishaya Brahmakaram Kritam. Brahmakara means that I dwell on Brahma without making Brahma as the Vishaya. That is Nirvishayam. Avishaya Brahmakaram Kritam. Atayeva Sapuman Upasthitad Bahya Vishayan Nivrittasan Jivan Muktaha. So this sadhaka, Puman, can be taken as sadhaka or this jiva. Upasthitad Bahya Vishayan Nivrittasan. Bahya Vishayas are there and they will always be there. There is no such time when Bahya Vishayas are not there. Upasthitat Bahya Vishayan Nivritta. The one who is not interested, not engaged in those Vishayas, let them be there. Jivan Muktaha Sadhyaha Nirvishaya Atma Jnana Udaya Samaye Eva Bhavishyati Ityartha. Then Atma Jnanam, which is Nirvishayam, means where Atma doesn't become Vishaya. Nirvishaya Atma Jnana Udaya Samaye Jivan Mukto Bhavishyati. Then he will become liberated. So the test for Jivan Mukti is given here. One test. What is that? Can you remain Nirvishaya? And in that awareness that I am Brahma. So no running after Vishaya, mind not running after Vishayas. This is Jivan Mukti. And that to support that, now Mundaka Upanishad Shruti and Mundaka Upanishad Shruti is given. And another Shruti is to show the manyness as illusion. So Mundaka Upanishad Shruti is to show the bhoktritva is due to ignorance, and Shvetashvata Shruti is to show that manyness is due to ignorance. द्वासुपर्णौ च सयुजा वभवन्मायया शिवः अजामेकां जुषन्नेको नानेवासीदिति श्रुतिः। द्वासुपर्णौ च सयुजा वभवन्मायया शिवः अजामेकां जुषन्नेको नानेवासीदिति श्रुतिः। द्वासुपर्णौ च सयुजौ शिवः द्वासुपर्णौ च सयुजौ माया अभवन. That Shiva, Paramatma alone became the two birds. Dvau Suparnau, Dva Suparna, that is given there in the Tika, it became the two birds. Ajam ekam jushanneko nana iva asid iti shrutihi. And this next Shruti says, Ajam ekam. So there are two goats, male goats, and one of them enjoys the female goat, whereas the other one discards the female goat. So, who are these? One is Jiva, another is Ishvara, and the female goat is Maya, Prakriti. So, that is given. See in Tika. Atra Jiveshwarayoho Mayika Bhedau Bheda Anuvadinyau Ruchau Udaharati. Jiveshwarayor Mayika Bhedau Bhedanuvadinyau Ruchau Udaharati. Richa means Vedic Shruti, indicating that Jiva and Ishwar both are Mayik, both are products of Maya. Means only due to Maya, this idea of Jiva and Ishwara, this Bheda is there. Dva Suparna Sayuja Sakhaya Samanam Vriksham Parishaswajate. Dvau Suparnau Sayujau Sakhayau. Two friends are there, Sakha, and they are of beautiful wings. Samanam Vriksham Parishashvajate. They are on the same tree. Many times you see, on any branch, two birds will be sitting. So immediately we should remember Dva Suparna. Tayoho anyaha pippalam swadvati. Of these two, one is enjoying the fruit of the tree. Pippalam is the fruit. Swadvati. Anashnananyo abhichakashiti. The other one is only watching. And the second Shruti is Ajamekam lohita shukla krishnam bahuim praja janayantim sarupam. This is Yagnika, some Yagni Upanishad, but in Shvetashvatar the reading is Ajamekam lohita shukla krishnam bahvim prajam srijyamanam sarupam, not janayantim, srijyamanam sarupam tayoreko jushamano nusete jahatyanyam bhukta bhogan. There is one more word. So one gives up, one is enjoying this Prakriti, eko jushamano anushete. Anushete is follows this Prakriti. So Jiva, when ignorant, he follows his body, senses, mind, etc. Whatever they say, whatever they want, he just follows. Jushamano anushete. And that is where we suffer. And the other one, Jahati Enam. He gives up this Prakriti. Why? Because he is understood after experiencing all the bhogas, the limitations. So that second quotation is for all the variety is only from one, ajam ekam. Jushan eko nana iva asit. So the manyness is due to that. In that way, the quotation is given. So Shweta Shwatar number is 4.5 and 4.6. In this way, now the shloka vyakhyanam is over. Ashtama shloka vyakhyam upasamharati. The 8th shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram, Ashtakam, is completed. Iti Shri Dakshinamurti Stotrartha Pratipadake प्रबंधे मानसोल्लास अष्टमोल्लास संग्रह इति श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रार्थ प्रतिपादके प्रबंधे मानसोल्लास अष्टमोल्लास संग्रह इति. Thus श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्र अर्थ प्रतिपादके मानसोल्लासे प्रबंधे, इन दी दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्र अर्थ प्रतिपादक, द रिवीलर or expounder of the meaning of this Dakshinamurti Stotra, that work is called Manasollasa. In that Prabandha, in that Grantha, Ashtamollasa Sangraha iti means Samapta. So in this way, iti Shri Manasollasa Vrittante Ashtamollasa. अधुना यथोक्त आत्मेश्वर तत्वज्ञान साधन विधानाय उत्तर श्लोक इति संगतिमाह. Now, so actually the teaching is over. Now it is said that I need some means to reach there. I am not there yet. यथोक्त आत्म ईश्वर तत्वज्ञान साधना. आत्मा ईश्वर means Jivatma and Ishvara. So Ishvaro Gururatmeti, that is this. Atma, Ishvara and Guru, who is already accomplished, they are one. So Atma, Ishvara, Tattva Jnana Sadhana Vidhanaya. What is the means to attain this oneness? For that, the next shloka, Uttara shloka, iti Sangatim. Now Sangati is said. Katham evam vidhamaya निवर्तेतेति पृच्छतः ईश्वरोपासनारूपस् तदुपायः प्रकीर्त्यते. कथमेवं विधामाया निवर्तेतेति पृच्छतः ईश्वरोपासनारूपस्तदुपायः प्रकीर्त्यते. कथम एवं विधा माया निवर्तेत इति पृच्छतः शिष्यः. How this maya can be eliminated, avoided, how it will be destroyed? When such question is asked, then Ishvara upasana rupaha tad upaya prakirtyate. What is the upaya? Ishvara upasana. You have to do Ishvara upasana. So after teaching all this highest wisdom also, Bhagavan Bhashyakar also, you can see Ishvara upasana is the sadhana. and there is no compromise there, that if I do not have enough qualifications, or after studying also I don't see myself as free from the entanglements of Vishaya or the worry of Yogakshema or like Raga, Dvesha, etc., then it is said you should do Ishwar Upasana. Kim alambanena Ishwara Upasana karya? What is the support by which Ishwara Upasana should be done? He said, why take any support? Nahi niramlambana upasana sambhavati, nacha Ishwara swarupata eva tadalambanam bhavati. Tasya nirakarattvena tadayogat. Niralamba upasana is not possible. In upasana, some alambana is always there. Some support is required. So, niralamba upasana is not there. And if it is said, Ishwara by his form itself, in his nature itself will be alambanam. Ishwara swarupata eva tad alambanam bhavati iti na. That is not possible. Why? Because Ishwara is nirakara. My mind is not getting fixed on Nirguna Brahma. That I am Nirguna Brahma, this is not happening. That's why I need support. If you say, take Nirakara Brahma as support, how will I? There is no support. Support itself will be difficult. It is like saying, if somebody is not well, so if you tell that person, you can get well, that is not a problem. All you have to do is, you have to get the milk of lioness and you have to mix that, in that milk, some herbs which are available in some rare mountain peak in Himalaya. Then you will be well. You see, first of all, to get the milk of lioness is difficult. Lioness is not going to give milk that easily. When the lioness has produced the cubs, then at that time she is more ferocious than even lion also. And because her milk is available to cubs, so then she won't give milk. And then you have to find some rare herbs which are available in Himalayan mountain and mix them. Before that this fellow will die. So, Nirakaratvena Ishwarasya alambanam ayogat iti ashankya. It is said, prapanchopadhan kalpita vigrahasya ishwarasya yuktam upasana alambanatvam iti pariharati. Take this prapancha as the upadhi, upadhana. Upadhana means upadhi. Upadhana. Kalpita vigrahasya ishwarasya. This as the kalpita vigraha of Ishwara. Imagine this world as Bhagavan's body. So like in Bhagavad Gita, the Vishwarupa Darshana, or in Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandha, all this is explained. And actually when people go to pilgrimage and all, when they go to Gangotri, Yamunotri, Himalaya, wherever they go, or here also when we are in Rishikesh, when we see mountain, it should remind us that this is Bhagavan's Sharira. If everything I cannot take, then at least some part. Like how in Taittiriya Shruti it is said, Akasha Shariram Brahma. So either you take Akasha as the Sharira of Brahma, or this Ashtamurti, what will be said here, Ishwarasya Vigrahasya Ishwarasya yuktam upasanam alambanatvam. So kalpita vigraha Ishwar has, and that upasanam will be yuktam, that will be appropriate. Iti pariharati. In this way, answer is given that you can use the creation as the alambanam. षट्त्रिंशत् तत्त्वरूपासु परमेश्वरमूर्तिषु प्रत्यक्षेणोपलभ्यन्ते सर्वैरप्यष्टमूर्तयः। षट्त्रिंशत् तत्त्वरूपासु परमेश्वरमूर्तिषु प्रत्यक्षेणोपलभ्यन्ते सर्वैरप्यष्टमूर्तयः। षट्त्रिंशत् तत्त्वरूपासु, षट्त्रिंशत् means 36. In the 36 forms of the Parameshwara Murti, so Bhagavan's embodiment with 36 elements, षट्त्रिंशत् Tattva Rupasu Parameshwara Murtisu Pratyakshena Upalabhyante Sarvaihi Api Ashtamurtayaha. All the Ashtamurti Bhagavan in the eightfold aspect is available in the 36 Tattva. So, like in Tika it is said, see, षट्त्रिंशत् Tattvani Shaivagame Prasiddhani. In the Shaiva Agama, they say there are 36 Tattvas. Seventh case is there, षट्त्रिंशत् Tattva Rupa Su Parameshwara Murti Shu is Nirdharanartha Saptami. That seventh case is to emphasize that it is there in them, Nirdharanartha Saptami. आकाशस्य मनोगोचरत्वं साक्षिमात्र गोचरत्वं वा इति मतमाश्रित्य प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यन्ते इति उक्तम् इति द्रष्टव्यम्. प्रत्यक्षेण उपलभ्यन्ते, they are available directly. Now you say Akasha is not Pratyaksha. This is, I will tell you how Akasha is Pratyaksha. In Nyaya Darshan it is known through mind, Manogocharam. And in Vedanta Darshanam, Sakshi Matra Gocharam. So that's why Manogocharatvam, Sakshi Matra Gocharatvam Va, both are given. Nyaya Vaisheshik Darshan and Vedanta Darshan. Iti matam ashritya Pratyakshena Sarvaihi Api Ashtamurtayaha Upalabhyante. All the 8 aspects are seen directly. So in the 36 elements of the Shaivas, so they take the 24 of Sankhya plus 6 of Nyaya Vaisheshika added to that plus 6 more. In that way it becomes 36. In them these 8 aspects you can see. What are those 8 aspects will come in the shloka. Anumeyasu na manaha क्षिप्रमारोहतीत्यतः मूर्त्यष्टकमयीं ब्रूते गुरुः सर्वात्मभावनाम्. अनुमेयासु न मनः क्षिप्रमारोहतीत्यतः मूर्त्यष्टकमयीं ब्रूते गुरुः सर्वात्मभावनाम्. अनुमेयासु मनः न क्षिप्रमारोहति. In all those things which are available through only anumanam, then mind will not rest there easily, quickly. Kshipram manaha na arohati anumeyasu. Ataha, therefore, Guruhu Bhagavan Shri Adi Shankaracharya ji, Sarvatma Bhavanam अष्टक अष्टकमयीं मूर्ति अष्टकमयीं ब्रूते. Murti Ashtakamayim, the eightfold Murti, he himself talks about. Why? Because if we do some anumanam, then we will not be able to easily keep our mind there. So he himself explains. Katham ashtav eva ima murtaya upadiyante na anyaha. How do you say there are only 8 and not less or more? Then it is said, iti ataha anumeyasu iti. Guruhu Shri Shankaracharya. Prakashya prakashakatiriktasya jnayasya abhavat. There are only 2 things, illuminator, illumined. Tasya ashtamurti atiriktatva abhavat. And that can be put in 8. Other than 8, you don't need. अत्र वक्ष्यमाण अष्टमूर्ति ध्यानम एव ईश्वरस्य सर्वात्म भावना इति अभिप्रेत्य उक्तम. So these 8, actually these 8 are coming from Shaiva Darshana. There now, what are these 36 and all will be given in this Vartikas. Vakshyamana Ashtamurti Dhyanam. So, 8-fold aspect of Ishvara, that is there for Dhyanam. That is for Sarvatma Bhavanam. That to see Paramatma as I, Aham, Atma is the self of all. Sarvatma Bhavanam. Iti Abhipretya Uktam. भूरंभांस्य नलोन्नीलोम्बरमहर नाथो हिमांशु पुमा नित्याभाति चराचरात्मकमिदं यस्यैव मूर्त्यष्टकम् नान्यत् किंचन विद्यते विमृशतां यस्मात् परस्माद् विभोस्तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदम् Shri Dakshinamurtaye. So, in the first line, the 8 aspects are given. Bhuhu means earth. Ambhansi means water. Analaha means fire. Anilaha means air, Vayu. Ambaram means space. So 5 elements. Then Aharnatha, sun, the lord of the day. Ahimamshu, the one with the cool rays. Himanshu, not Ahimanshu, Himanshu. Himanshu means the one with the cool rays, like the snow. Himanshu. And Puman means Purusha in Tika you will see. Puman means Ishvara also or Jiva also, both, either you can take. So 5 elements, sun, moon and Chaitanya, Upahita Chaitanya, Vyashti or Samashti. Iti abhati characharatmakam idam yasyeva murtyashtakam. Yasyeva murtyashtakam characharatmakam idam. Whose this 8-fold form in the form of moving and non-moving. Characharatmakam idam abhati, it shines, expresses. Nanyat kinchana vidyate vimrishatam. Yasmat parasmat vibhoho. Yasmat parasmat. Then this, the highest, param, then that, which is vibhu. Vibhu means all pervading. That alone is all. Vibhoho. Nanyat kinchana vidyate. There is nothing else than only this Paramatma. For whom? Vimrishatam. Those who think. So those who dwell on this teaching, for them nothing else is there. Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Shri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. See in Tika, Aharnathaha Suryaha. Puman Trailokya Antaryami Purushaha. So Aharnatha means sun. Puman means Trailokya Antaryami, the one who is the inner dweller, indweller of all, that is Ishvara. Yadva Puman means Bhokta or Jiva. Anyat Prasiddham. Everything else is very well known, no need of commenting. Iti evam yadidam characharatmakam abhati. Whatever is there, moving and non-moving, it is all Ishvara or it is all me. Ahangrahopasana is superior upasana because you are associating everything to aham. So that is considered as greater upasana. I alone am everything. In this way you have to go on thinking. Tat sarvam yasyeva murtyashtakam iti sambandha. All this is of whose? Paramatmana murtyashtakam. That is Dakshinamurti in this way. So either you take it for aham, jiva, or if you are not able to think that way, then you take Ishvara. Katham etad vishwam Ishwar Murti Rupam Ishwarat Bhinnatvat Asya. How this is all Ishwar Murti, this world is the form of Ishwarasya Murtihi, Ishwara Murti Rupam. How is it? Why? Because all this is different from Ishwara. Ishwara is different, Jagat is different. How do you say all this is Ishwara's Rupam? Ishwaras Bhinnatvat, Ishwarat Bhinnatvat, iti ashankya. Nanyat Kanchana Vidyate. There is nothing other than Paramatma alone. For whom? Vimrishatam, Vicharam Kurvatam. Those who think, for them, all this is Paramatma alone. Yasmat Parasmat. Then this Paramatma Sarva Karanat Vibhoho Aparichinnat Ishwarat Anyanna Vidyate. Other than the Paramatma who is Aparichinna, all pervading, which is the Karanam of all, Sarva Karanat, all are Panchami Vibhakti. Yasmat Parasmat Sarva Karanat Vibhoho Aparichinnat Ishwarat Anyatna Vidyate. There is nothing other than that. Vicharyamane Ishwarat Pruthak Swatantriyena Jagato Abhavat. When you think, then you realize, other than Ishwara, there is no independent thing called world. Like, there is no independent snake appearing on a rope. If snake appears on a rope, it is dependent upon rope. In that way, world is not independent entity. Abhavat sarvam asmin kalpitam. Sarvam jagat asmin kalpitam. Everything is superimposed in this Satchidananda Brahma. Asyaiva shariram iti abhipraya. It is all sharira of this alone. Yat tador anvayaha purvavat. Yat tador anvayaha means yasya tasmai, in this way. Yat tat. So you have to do anvaya of those words in this way. Yasyaiva murtyashtakam tasmai Shri Guru Murte Namaha. Like purvavat, like in the earlier shlokas, how this is done. So now what is the main idea why this upasana is prescribed? Because my mind, as I said, is either restless, is still running after the Vishayas, is still worried, concerned, etc. Or what is revealed by Shastra, I am not able to accept that this is it. So if Shastra has said you are liberated, I say no, something else has to be there. Because we think that all other pramanams, whenever we use, there this ahankara is the experiencer. So in Vedanta Praman also we want ahankara to experience something. You take pratyaksha, anumana, upamana, shabda, in everything, ahankara will say, yes, yes, I know something now. So in this Tattvamasi Mahavakya also, we want ahankara to continue to exist. So by Ishvara's grace, this ahankara will let go of this idea that I have to continue to exist, to remain as experiencer. So that will happen through this upasana. Other advantages are that I will have single pointedness of mind, and if shallowness is there, it will go away, all those things. So further we will see now. Next 3 days also our session will be at this hour only, how we are scheduling. But I will check if our Panchadashi class, they want from 3 to 4 or is it from 2:30 to 3:30, then accordingly I will send the text. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutravashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.